And so here's another way that we can think about translations. Translations slides every point on a figure the same distance and in the same direction, just like what we saw before. Our 1, 1 point went down 2 and over 3, and our 2, 4 point also went down 2 and over 3. So the key to determining translations actually is just focus on one point. Choose one point of reference, focus on it, and see how it shifts. That will determine how the rest of the points shift. Because, like we said before, translations do the same thing to every part of the figure. It doesn't change it. So notice that the change in the coordinates also correspond to the shift. Let's look at those carefully. So our translation was right 3 down 2. Well, right 3 means a positive 3 in the x direction. Down 2 means negative 2 in the y direction. So we can look at our 1, 1 point again. It went down 2 and right 3. So that means we add 3 to the x coordinate and minus 2 to the y coordinate, and we get our resulting coordinate of the red figure at that point, which is 4, negative 1. And take a look at the graph, that point is 4, negative 1. Likewise, if we look at our 2, 4 point, it also went down 2 over 3 to the right. And so if we add 3 to the 2 x coordinate and we minus 2 to the 4 y coordinate, then we get 5, 2. And looking at the graph, that same matching point on the red figure is in fact 5, 2. And that's a way that we can check our translations. So a language tip again, we can say that the image of the point 1, 1 is a point 4, negative 1. Or we can say the point 1, 1 is mapped to the point 4, negative 1. They both mean the same thing. It says that the 1, 1 point is going to the 4, negative 1 point. So let's practice for a little bit. Now let's specify, meaning give me a specific path of the translation from figure 1 to figure 2. Use up, down, left or right, and also tell me the unit. How much? And go ahead and pause and practice. So let's see, the figure should have translated left 6 and up 3. Which point of reference did you choose? I chose D. You can choose C, A, or B. Now let's look at the next one. Go ahead and pause and practice this one. So the figure is translated left 2 and up 3. This time I used point A. From A of figure 1 to the A apostrophe to the figure 2, I see that it moved left 2 and up 3. So let's not forget that our goal is to actually do the translation with these coordinates. So far, we've only read the translations, but we need to do them ourselves. So try to translate this figure left 6 and up 3 by dragging it to its image location. Where do you expect it to land? After you drag, record the coordinates of the images of A, B, C, D. And here's the graph. Be careful when you drag. I tried to make the pictures in a way that allows you to drag it, but the lines might confuse you. So use the boundaries of the picture to help guide you every unit across.